This is the last episode of Big Data Made Easy series. In this episode, I'll demonstrate how to create and run a data streaming application. Before we start, make sure you check datapower.com/streaming.html to download any files that are needed for the demonstration. Let's start. For this demonstration, we will use two terminals. They both are connected to the same cluster. If you perform an ls, you'll see that in each terminal we have the same files, generate words and word count. Let's open wordcount.py. This is the Python code that we're going to run. Open this code and look at it more closely. This is a simple program that counts the number of words in the files that are streamed into a given subdirectory. We start with import sys directory, which is used to manipulate input and output files. We also import Spark context from PySpark. A unique set of libraries for streaming applications are streaming context, which we import from PySpark.streaming. The main program starts, the Spark context, application name is given the word count. Also, the streaming context is assigned to an SSC and indicates that the application will check for the files in the given directory every 10 seconds. The log level is set to warning, and the application will start execution, reading each line for the files that are located under str subdirectory. The next line will count how many words are in those files. Finally, we print the results. The last line simply means that we need to terminate the program by typing Ctrl+C. Exit the editor with Ctrl+X and save the file if necessary. Let's create the directory str using Hadoop fs -make directory str. This is where the streaming files will be located. Now let's run the application. Spark submit wordcount.py. Hit enter. No other arguments are needed here. The program will execute. However, you'll notice that there will be no results displayed because no files are streamed into the str. We go to the other terminal and stream some files into the str directory. GenerateWords.sh is a shell script that is designed to do just that. Let's open that file, nano generatewords.sh. You'll notice that besides some text that we are echoing, we are randomly creating file names and putting a certain number of words into these files. The copy from local command brings those files to the str directory. Let's exit the editor before we execute the shell file. Let's make it executable by typing chmod +x and the name of the file, generatewords.sh. Now, let's run the script. Type watch -n 5 every 5 seconds, and then the file generatewords.sh in the correct subdirectory. Once we hit enter, the file will be executed. You'll see a prompt, the echoes that we wrote in the command file. And now you notice at the left screen, the monitor starts to generate numbers, which is the number of words in the files that this script is streaming into the str directory. If we stop the script by typing Ctrl+C, you'll notice that the Python program will pick up the last files, and then since no files are streamed, you will get no more results. If we run the script again, you'll see the left terminal will start to produce results again. You can terminate the Python code. You can terminate the script by typing Ctrl+C in the respective terminals. This is how we run a streaming application. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to learn more about big data analytics, subscribe to this channel. Also, follow me on Twitter at Professor Benny or join my LinkedIn network. You can always email me with any questions.